Monday, June 22, 2020, at approximately 11 a.m., Denver police officers chase an armed carjacker into the city of Aurora. Officers arrive on scene prepared to use deadly force, as the suspect is armed and dangerous.
Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! I'm gonna shoot you! Put the gun down! Watch out, guys! Get out of the way! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put it down!
You guys pop it up.
They're giving him commands. He's walking towards 14200.
Drop the gun, sir! Drop the gun! 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 Watch out that car. I don't know anything's in there.
This is a non-compliant.
Drop the gun!
He's got his phone out.
Now.
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
He's pointing guns at us. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. That's a crossfire. Watch that crossfire.
Get out of the crossfire!
I'm behind a tree, really.
I got a rifle! Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon!
Cars coming in from the...
Drop the weapon!
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Drop your weapon, sir! Drop your weapon! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get some cover, goddammit! Stop standing in front of the street! Someone got a 40? Drop the weapon! Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
You're a carjacker car.
Stop walking! Stop walking! Stop walking, sir!
Negative.
On your left. Drop your weapon! Drop the gun, sir! Drop the gun! We need to get control up front of us.
On your left.
Get that Amazon out of there. Drop the gun!
truck. Do a reverse 911 on all these warehouses.
Right behind the truck.
Before. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! How long are we gonna let this go? Drop the gun! Go, go, go! Get out of the way! Go! He's running. Drop it! Don't you point that shit at me! He's not gonna try to. Stop! Do not point that gun at him! Get down! Get your hands up! Hands up! Secure him! Somebody secure him! Get your hands out! Put your hands out! I got Give me cuffs. Roll over cuffs. I got his arm.
Detective Sergeant. 500 also send medical, please.
Watch out, people like this.
Okay.
I didn't pat him down.
I got it.
Just turning them now. 30 seconds.
I fired twice. Seat secure. No.
Hey, someone check you out. You're not leaking?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Turn around.
Good.
We're good. Aurora's got it. We got a lockdown.
You want to come over here in the shade with me?
My car's down there. It's
Nice shot.
running. Okay, get to the car.
Fuck, man. Yes.
No officers or civilians sustained any injuries during the shootout. However, the suspect did not survive.
You're not legal?